Alright, so if you ever have a cab leaning problem with it leaning to one side or the other, you need to take out the stock bracket that they have under there that has a little square in the middle of it and replace it with these brackets right here. 207-27214, 207-2714 for the Volvo V&L with the sleeper cab leaning. Little tight through there, huh?
A little bit.
At least you're a narrow guy.
Yeah.
I'd be physically challenged to even try to stick my body through there.
Okay, right here you need to have the existing hardware that came off of the old bracket to install for the new bracket. And then you also need to buy 2 for the back and possibly 2 of these brackets for the front. Alright, right here you need to get a block of wood to support the cab. This is the old brackets that came off of the sleeper. This is what the square is that I was talking about in the video. This is also the old bracket right here. This is the new bracket before installing the torsion bar back into there. You'll need to use a strap to pull the cab to the side, and then you'll get it in there. I think total it took me about an hour and a half to install this. If you ever need anybody to install this, there is a guy in Irving, Texas at the Speedco Loves. His name is Tristan. He will help you install this. I think total cost to replace and install everything was about maybe $250, $300, something like that. But here's what it looks like after it was completed, straight. And thank you for watching.